Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to see how we can create this elegant and simple look for our entryway in really easy steps. So let's get started. So this was the look to begin with, pretty empty and simple. The first thing that I did was clear out all the mess from the entryway, remove everything. So here you can see my gate, entry gate, and it is pretty huge, so I cannot really put very wide furnitures in front of it, and it is a small entryway, so I just have to do something which makes it look good but not cover a lot of space. So that's what we will be trying to achieve in this video. The very first thing that came to mind after removing everything was giving this area a very good clean. So I scrubbed the walls off because I needed to stick wall decals over it. So I really gave a very good rub to the walls. And this is the wall decal. This is peel and stick wall decal I got from Amazon, and here the first one is stuck. So once I was done with one side of the wall, the other side needed some measuring and cutting because it was not up to the optimal size of the other half of the wall. So the next step that we will be doing is measuring out the walls and making sure that we cut the wall decals to the perfect size so that it fits and gives it a seamless look. So the next thing that I did was measure it out, cut it out with a really sharp tool so that there are no seams when we stick it back. So here you can see when we measured and cut it, it's a pretty simple look, and we also added a shelf. Next thing I did was I hung my DIY lamp with the help of a C-hook on top of the ceiling, because this area doesn't have any plug point, so I really cannot put any extra lighting that I wish for. And this shelf that you see I got from IKEA, and I also added some of the decorative stuff I wanted to showcase there. So this is how it looks right now from the outside when we enter into our condo. Simple shelf. Next thing that I did was I added back the bench we got from IKEA, added some cushions and a vase on the side with some fake flowers on it. And this was the look in a different ambient light. I also added a tea light to my DIY lamp. I was trying to check which setup looks good. Although this was looking okay, I was not very satisfied with the look. So next thing that I did was I added some LED lights to my DIY lamp, and I moved the vase that I had to the other side near the cushions, and I brought in my bamboo plant because I was missing my greenery. I added some string lights to it and I put it just underneath my DIY lamp. So this is how it is looking from inside the house, from the lobby area right now. So here you can see we have the lamp, we have the shelf with all the decorative items, and you can find the link of this lamp if you wish to see in the description box. And here it is how it is looking from the outside when somebody would enter our house. So that was the video, guys. Hope you liked it. If you did, please hit the like button and also consider subscribing to my channel for more such videos. Thank you. Thanks for watching, and have a happy and safe Diwali.